Have you applied to hundreds of UX jobs only to get daily rejection emails? Have you had a recruiter reach out to you only to get ghosted after you met? Have you spent weeks on your UX resume but aren't getting any interviews? If any of these sound familiar, you're not alone and you're in the right place. I'm David Campana, and I've helped designers just like you get their next job in UX faster using time-tested tactics. In my course, Level Up Your UX Design Job Search, you have the guidance and support you need to build a resume and portfolio that stands out to recruiters and hiring managers and will get you more interviews. These aren't just theoretical concepts. They're actionable strategies that, when followed correctly, will teach you to tailor your resume to specific roles using proven strategies which lean on your unique background to set you apart. Craft a resume that balances visual design with content integration, showcasing your experience in a captivating layout. Develop compelling case studies that tell your story, leaving hiring managers intrigued and eager to learn more.
I'm getting new perspectives. And in the very first session, I was like, this is great. It's like within 2 minutes or so, my fear was like, whoosh, gone away.
Ready to take the next step in your UX career? Spots are limited, so sign up today and start leveling up your UX job search.